Everyone, today we will see about hybrid computer. This recording I am doing only on the request of one of my student, Rinki Keshwani. Thank you, Rinki, for suggesting me to send or upload this video. So let us see what exactly this hybrid computer is. So if we talk about hybrid computer, it is a computer which is exhibiting the features of both analog and digital computer. Okay, so we can say the combination of analog and digital computer will get us hybrid computer. If we know what exactly this analog computer is, you just imagine any computer which is operating with numbers representing directly measurable quantities like temperature, the pressure, the speed, the weight, voltage. It can be analog computer. The best example is megaphones, old radios, the volume controller of the telephone handset can be the example of analog computer. If we see the digital computer, it is, as the name itself implies, it is working with the digits. That means whatever data is there, it is represented in the form of numerals, okay, or the letters, or in the form of special symbols. For example, if we take this digital computer, we can say any modern electronic product like computer, like the mobile phone, which is based on the digital signals. Here I have shown the example of digital computers also, like the thermometer, which is displaying the reading in the digital format in the form of numerals. Okay, then let us come back to the concept of hybrid computer. So what exactly is this hybrid computer? As we know, it is a combination of analog and digital computer. That means the hybrid computer is going to accept analog signal and converting it into the digital form. Okay, that means it is processing the analog signals into the digital form. Like, just for the precise example, let us take the hospitals wherein we are measuring the heartbeat of the patient. When we are taking the heartbeat, which is the input, it is in the form of analog signals, and we are converting it into the form of digital one. Or else take the device which is used in the petrol pump. When the petrol pump person is pouring petrol into the petrol tank, then the entire reading, how much amount of petrol has been poured, will be displayed into the form of digital reading. So it can be the example of hybrid computer. Okay, so the question arises, where exactly this kind of computer can be used? Okay, so we can use this kind of hybrid computers wherein we are having large scale organizations where the logical and technical calculations are solved. Okay, and it is also used where a great processing of differential equations are required. What about the advantages of hybrid computer? If we see the advantages of hybrid computer, it is having, because it is a combination of analog and digital computers, so the advantages can also be the combination of both. That means here it is behaving like a digital component, like it can behave like controller, it can provide logical operations, okay, and it can also behave like analog computer, wherein we are using this kind of computers to solve the differential equations also. As far as the disadvantages are concerned, these kind of hybrid computers are very, very expensive. Okay, and there are different networks, the hubs, it requires a lot of cables, it requires expensive circuits, which is making its cost very high. So it will be very costly for an individual to buy this kind of digital computers. Thank you.